Hey guys, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. If you watched our video yesterday, you might recognize a few of these items, but I know there's a ton more that are on my invoice that I'm supposed to be getting. This is a figurine company. I can't remember where they're based out of. They're based out of Virginia, and it took them about 2 months to get back with us. I don't know if they make them to order or what the deal is with a lot of the figurines, but I posted a bunch of them already on the home and kitchen category on hookedonpickin.com. We've got 4 more boxes, bigger boxes than the last time, and we're going to continue to find good, awesome things. And so this is all going to be home decor pieces. Some are functional, so like clocks and things like that. And then I know I only opened like 1 or 2 of some pieces, so I'm hoping that there's duplicates in here. But like I said, it's been 2 weeks or 2 months since we ordered it at the ASD Las Vegas Market Week. So let's see what's in these boxes. Alright, so this stuff has been selling like hotcakes. So if you see me unbox it, you probably want to buy it right now. So,
yeah, we already sold out of several of the items.
Yeah, we are. I think we had this tree that was holding a...
that sold fast.
Was it sand... Hourglass.
Hourglass, yeah.
Couldn't think of what it was called for a minute. He sold right away. Very whimsical looking. Okay, now we opened a bunch of these that were the actual rooster salt and pepper shakers, so we have these. I'm hoping these are the other kinds that we ordered. Okay, so which one is this one? Not the owl. Oh, it's the piggy. So that one is the pigs.
Pig.
And if you've gone to the website, I do have the pig picture listed, but I had them out of stock because I had not unboxed them. And I like to inspect them and make sure that they're in good condition. They're not crushed. Is this one the pig too? No. This one is the owl.
Boom. Did we have the owl before?
No.
Awesome.
No, we only had the rooster.
It's a cool owl.
It is a cool owl. I like the white owl. The snow owl is what they call him.
Is that what it is?
Okay, let's see. This one, I'm looking for a check mark in the box. This one doesn't have a check mark. Oh, yes, it does. The bear.
Beautiful. Bear.
So these are really, really cute. This one is the bear as well. This one is the owl.
It's just a whole case of this.
It is. I'm going to try to keep them separate.
Very well packed. That's been good.
Yes, that's been huge. All right, this one is the bear as well. This one is another bear. I think we got about 4 of each kind.
I think you're right.
That might be it for the bear. I'm really hoping we have one other style. Let's see. This one's the piggy.
Beautiful.
This one is the owl. Okay, what else we got? This one is the pig again. This one's the owl. Okay, and I'm guessing the last one is a pig. And that way we will have had the rooster, the bear, the pig, and the owl. Yep, this one is the pig. Okay, looks like they also have a little dog. I think that's
Chihuahua.
Chihuahua and an elephant. And
Yeah,
I
probably didn't get those two.
They might not have had them at the show. That could be
That
why
could
we didn't
be.
order them.
And their catalog, we got their catalog in one of the boxes, and there are some things that are retired. They're not going to make anymore, so
Okay.
so we'll have to see. I don't think it's anything that we purchased, though,
Which
which would have made sense. They probably didn't even have it at the show.
Right. The nice thing is we do have their website so we can reorder. Oh, I was so glad. Okay, so we only had 1 of these. These are medieval pens, and you can pick your style. So you can pick the white or the silver, and then there are some with, like, this one is shield down. This one has no shield, and then I think one down here has just a sword in the front.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
So you'll have to...
It's good to have more of those.
Yes. All right, what's in this box? This is a new box.
Oh, yeah.
I forgot we ordered this one.
It's a little nativity.
It's like a little Mary and Joseph.
Yeah.
I'm going to pull this one out just because I want to see.
Well, they love packing peanuts.
They do love
I've never
packing
seen a
peanuts.
company that loves packing peanuts this much.
Well, I guess they're easy to Make sure
Smart.
everything's padded
It's keeping
good.
it from breaking.
I really want to pull this one out.
Boom.
So when I looked at the description of this, it says wood-like is what it's called. So it's
Yep.
not actually wood, but
Probably
it
what is,
looks
some kind of
carved
resin
wood.
of
It's
some
like
sort.
a resin, yeah. So, and I think this is the same thing, isn't it? Yeah, it's the exact same thing, this box here.
They are pretty, though. Mm-hmm. That'd be nice for Christmas or nice for any really time.
Yeah, so just go to the home decor section. I need to separate and make it.
We keep a nativity up year-round.
We do.
I know a lot of Christian families that do that. There you go.
It's pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it kind of looks like a live edge wood bottom there. Put a few more of these packing peanuts back in there. There we go. Keep it all nice and padded the way they had it. All right, so we've got those guys. What else is in here? Oh, we have these already online. The steampunk pistol.
We got Jesus and guns. That's what we got. Jesus, guns, and hummingbirds.
Ooh, these are like the butterflies. Ooh, I think they're bigger than that.
Ooh, they do look bigger.
Okay, hold on. I'm going to bring it down to the
Massive
table here.
hummingbird.
So these are like sun catcher ornaments. And we do label them by which color you want. So this one, I don't know what color A is, but we're going to unwrap it and see. Oh my word, look at that. Here, there you go. That is pretty, isn't it?
It is pretty.
So that one would be, like I would probably call it A, you know, because it's in the A box, and then it would be pink, orange, and green is how I would probably describe that one.
See, I thought that was purple.
Purple, yellow, and green.
It might be pink. I'm a little colorblind, so.
I think it's purple. I think you're right.
Beautiful.
So these would be beautiful sun catchers or ornaments if you want to use them as an ornament.
Awesome. I could see it hanging in a window.
Yes. There we go. Get it in there. All right. So, and they have multiple different colors. What is this? Oh,
More cats.
this is a cat trinket box. So it looks like an Egyptian cat with, and it's got like a...
We have a lot of Egyptian stuff. I think it'd be cool.
What is this?
Thinking about putting some in my office for my, anytime I go over the Old Testament.
You should.
You know, go through the Exodus of Egypt. Boom. Pull out all these different things.
There's another Egyptian cat box.
Yeah.
What is this? Ooh, is this one of those pyramids?
Oh, yeah. I think we sold out of the other one.
Yeah. So this is a 3-part pyramid. If you want to watch yesterday's video, that's where we unbox it, because I don't want to...
Beautiful.
Yeah. So the top comes off, and it has like a little compartment you can put rings or earrings in, and then the bottom comes off.
Can you just undo the top so we can see? Because that's not that color.
No, it's really shiny with jewels. So here is the middle section.
Boom.
So the top goes here, and then the bottom goes here. So like the bottom compartment is that large, and the top compartment is that large.
Cool. Yep.
It's just hard to get back in the box after it took me forever to get the other one back in the box. All right. Okay. Oh, look, here's another one. Another pyramid.
Awesome. There's a frog down there.
Oh,
We've
good.
seen the frog.
We have one of these already online.
He already sold out, so boom.
Oh, did he?
Now we have another
Good.
one.
Is this another frog?
People love frogs.
It's a big frog. If you look real close, it's a frog mama with a baby.
Beautiful.
And then we have, what's this? Ooh, I hope this is one of what I'm thinking it is. If I can get it out. There we go. This is the Last Supper.
Yep.
Good, because we already sold out of one, and somebody was already looking for
I think we only had one. So,
yeah.
Yeah. Great.
So that's all stuff we know.
Easy for you to list. You just change the quantity number on those.
Yep. Oh, more hummingbirds.
Oh, good.
See all the different colors that they have?
That is cool. You get the whole set.
So we also have butterflies the exact same way.
Mm-hmm. That's a large box, wherever this is. Oh, this might be for James.
Oh, yeah. So we bought this and another castle for him to pick, and then the other one's going to go online. So
Yep.
we have the other one is kind of more whimsical with more spires. This one's more flat, looks more like a European castle.
Yeah.
So he's going to pick one of the two.
Let us know if you really like the castles. They're more expensive. They're a big piece. See.
Yeah. I wonder if I can.
It's a fairly large
show you
box.
what it looks like.
It's getting to the point where you got to be careful in shipping on some of these guys.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's totally foamed in there.
Yeah.
A lot.
So it's got like the regular levels, but we got this because he has all these little figurines that he uses, and I got this one because it's got the platform for the figurines.
Yep.
So.
Be cool.
Oops. I'll get that closer. All right. Was that it in that box?
That's it.
You might be getting some foam peanuts in you guys' next orders.
You might be.
We're gonna reuse them foam peanuts. All right.
Don't eat them.
They're not peanuts.
No, it's not that kind of peanut.
They pack really well. I'm really hoping the next orders don't take as long. Okay, here's another nativity box.
Beautiful. I think it'll sell.
I think so.
Even now. I'm digging this.
Oh, look at this. So we opened yesterday a medieval goblet. This one is a wolf goblet. I'm not opening one.
It looks like those cups you would drink out of medieval knights or something. You know?
This whole thing. Because it's cool, too cool not to look at. Oh, and it's blue. I forgot it was blue. It's like a white wolf with jewels. We got a couple of those.
Look at that. Sweet.
It's the same picture.
I'm guessing that they tried to capture the Game of Thrones style. But, you know, it'll go for any kind of fun dinner party.
Yeah, I found another nativity. Yeah, those are cool, aren't they? I feel like you need more than one of these. Well, we have two of the wolf ones so far.
Awesome.
We'll get one of each type of our goblets, because we've got the medieval goblet on there that has like the Knights Templar kind of thing. Oh, there's another pyramid.
Another pyramid.
That's a nice pyramid trinket box.
Well packaged.
Mm-hmm.
Is that another frog or a different frog?
Oh, these are little frogs.
Little frogs.
So you can buy the big frog, and then the little frogs do actually match. They're the exact same style.
Cool. Just
But these
a
are
few little
smaller.
different poses.
Yeah, so they have different poses. See, these are, let me show you what size they are. A little packy peanuts out of that guy. See? Isn't he cute?
Yeah. Good little frog.
Okay, back in the box. Good. All right.
Frogs.
All right, what else is in here? Oh, these are the ones we unboxed yesterday.
Boom.
We only had one, and I think it's sold already, maybe.
Yeah, I think you're right.
So we're going to put these more on. What? We have another salt and pepper shaker? Maybe we did get new styles. Hold on. I can't get out. Oh, these are cool. So this is a sphinx thing. Not sphinx. A mummy.
Sarcophagus, yep.
And inside is the little mummy.
It's got a mummy inside.
Yep, so you open it up, and it does have the mummy inside. So that's kind of interesting.
It'll be great for Mummy's Day.
Mummy's Day. There's another wolf.
Anybody see what I did there?
Yes. Everybody saw what you did there. Everybody
that was clever,
did.
everyone.
Another wolf. So we have 4 wolves so far. Then we have another wolf. That's 5 wolves.
5 wolves. It's almost a pack.
Almost a pack. Another.
Boom. Got some Jesus.
Got some Jesus.
Jesus, wolves, frogs, Last Suppers.
Oh. Knights Templar.
Knights Templar.
Goblet.
Goblet.
Crusader
It's
soldier.
like the Holy Grail.
Yeah, the Holy Grail.
We're selling the Holy Grail. We have multiple versions of the Holy Grail.
Right. Okay, now which guy is this? Hold on, I'm looking for the check mark. Oh, another rooster.
Boom. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Yep.
There it is.
All right. What else we got in here? Is that it?
Peanuts.
That's it. Peanuts. Get your peanuts, your popcorn.
Heather really wants to do that at church.
I really do.
I can see it happening. Might be slightly distracting.
I think it will be very
I
distracting.
thought it was funny. Somebody put on the comments, yesterday. I think that would be distracting. Yeah, it might be.
Yeah. Get your peanuts.
Hey, you know,
popcorn.
I mean, Jesus preached outside, though. I mean, think how all the distraction that would be. You got birds flying, you know, planes flying
all the
overhead.
Birds were quiet while he preached.
Yeah.
No, probably not. Another mommy and baby froggy.
Yes. And yes, I know there were no planes flying overhead when Jesus preached.
What did you say was flying overhead?
Planes.
Oh. Ooh, this is something brand new. Look at it.
Snow globe?
It's a snow globe with a bear.
It's not for sale. It's going to my collection. I've decorated my whole office in black bear.
You should
That's what I
do
should.
black
That's what I should do. Everything black bear. Boom.
Oh, look
Walking.
at it. It's so cute. So it's like mommy and daddy bear with the little baby bears. Trapped inside of a globe. So it looks like I've got another one here. Makes 2 of them.
That is cool.
3 of them. I'm just pulling bears out here.
Boom.
4 of them.
Well, I could see if somebody was in Gatlinburg, you'd sell these like crazy, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Somebody come in,
Oh,
buy 30,000 of them.
this is a clock. It's a Mary and Joseph nativity scene clock.
That's neat.
Okay, we have 5 of the bear globes.
Is that a little angel? Got a random little angel in the background.
I didn't realize that.
Just hanging out as the pendant swing.
Oh, the pendulum.
Yep. Boom. Little angel. Star there. That's clever.
So I think we only had one of those online and it sold already. Or did we not pull this one out yet?
I don't think we even pulled this
We
out.
might not have. I know we pulled out a hummingbird clock.
Yeah.
Which I think we only have 1 left of.
Yeah, I know. Things are selling really fast.
That's what the rest of these are.
Okay, great.
I think the rest are all...
These will sell.
Wait,
It's the pendulum,
are you sure?
I think. Because this one was doing the same thing.
Okay, yeah, I'll check them and make sure.
Yeah.
The way they box them, I doubt it's...
Yeah. Probably good to go.
There we go. So that is it. So that's all the new stuff. We're going to put it all on hookedonpickin.com. In the home and kitchen category, you'll be able to find all of that.
Yeah.
Now, with all the new stuff that I just posted in that category, you're going to have to go at least 4 pages to get all the way back to the first item I posted, which was the Knights Templar cup. So you'll have to go all the way back about 4 pages because 12 items are on each page. So make sure you keep perusing to make sure you get everything. Yes.
Yep. I've been ordering a lot from 888 Lots. 888 Lots has been coming in Amazon packages. Some of you know that already. But look.
We'll be unboxing that tomorrow.
This is tomorrow's unboxing, ready to go.
We do have some of the CBC group, too.
Yeah.
That's a Tundra, I think, or a fair order.
Yep, some of these were back-ordered items, too.
Yeah. So we'll be just opening all of those boxes, and you'll be able to see what all is.
And then we have 4 pallets en route. 4. And I have no place to put the 4 pallets
so
currently.
we're going to quickly unbox all that, and then make
Yep, exactly.
All right, so thanks so much. Go to hookedonpickin.com to get all of these items. Everything will be online. So we're not putting anything in the store. It's all going online.
Not yet.
Yep, it's all for you guys. So thanks so much for watching, and of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.